Tukiambĩrĩria wĩtana mbere kuri obisine ya kilimo kwa minista urimi na ndethia mithika Lîntûrî kuri njarene cia kamiti ya ANTU IKUMI bunge nene nyuma ya bunge ya narimura 49 witikanĩirie RWARIA rũrũ ithire rwĩtana mbere rwa rwikĩtwe bunge ni mubunge Obumula Jack Wamboka. Mubunge oyo ne ndethirite akiwa siezi Lîntûrî na batu kwithira kebelwetine nyuma yawe kwithira kiringanithwa na wendia bwa fertilizer mugwana iretite na mbere utala sara kiri arimi ndene ya Kenya yonde ya bunge Bomeru barabari tinene kia nyuma ya karokeni bethirite bakitariria ntuto mwanya amona bunge ba county ya Tharaka Nithi oro DCS mithika Lîntûrî kwithira akingatwa ni mbunge nene.
Ojo no gikaro kia bunge ne rokirwa NTUKU na Arua gitaitire na mbere. Moruteri juingire kinya speaker roko gwatiri tempio kumorotelo Gilgil Mathawangari ebera na speaker Moses Wetangula ashokera.
Order. 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 Order.
Ogo kinyira kanyene gakwaria akiamwibariririe bamwe batetera na bangi betikanira mwene Muswanda mubunge wa kumorotelo Bumula ya Kwamboka.
It is not about Kenya Kwanza, it is not about Azimio. It is a moral question. We are not targeting the Meru community.
If there is evidence, let us get him out. Get another Kenyan, even if we want a Kenyan from that region where he comes from. There are so many competent Kenyans from that region.
Has the mover of this motion, Honorable Jack Wamboka, created or shown us that nexus between the person being removed from office as cabinet secretary and the alleged grounds of removal? And the straight answer, Honorable Speaker, is none.
Baba inge barapotetera minister mithika Lîntûrî na muno bakumorotero akiri mara ibaku NCPB ne batere kwithire kwa mpanga na Lîntûrî akwithiro akionerwa.
That the provisions which are being quoted by the mover of the motion does not pin the minister per se. The provisions are just in general terms, just to make sure that it moves and it wipes the members' sympathy. Yes, we sympathize with the farmers who are affected, but who is capable of the issue? Who is involved in manufacturing the same fertilizer, distributing and making sure that it is procured to the extent that it's going now to mess the farmers? Is that the minister? The minister has nothing to do with that one.
I remember saying that this is going to go in the records of history as the most incompetent cabinet. And you can already see.
And I know many people here, they'll say, maybe the CS is arrogant, he's uncouth, he's not even qualified. It's neither here nor there, Mr. Speaker, because we pass the same CS here. But the question is, who gave our farmers fake fertilizer? Who gave?
When the full extent of this fertilizer scandal is exposed, you will be shocked. It will be worse than Goldenberg scandal.
Bunge bamwe jakongere kono bunge kumurotero no dhimenti remda ugun barabare ko mutetera Lîntûrî ibogire kamite orimi bunge nene retongere to bunge kumurotero atikanwesi Daktari John Motunga itareta ripoti yao nako ndetu ibatere kudro chirungama amu baba ingi babunge ibakararirie nteto eje.
This motion is not going anywhere. We are with the CS Lîntûrî because he is not culpable. Let the culpable people be taken to court and let the Agriculture Committee finish its job.
Mira farmers of Meru, for the coffee farmers in Central Region, for the tea farmers and the maize farmers in the Rift Valley region. And that is the club, that is the, that's the area that feeds this whole country. If we as a National Assembly cannot speak for them, who will speak for them? The president could have saved us this and sacked the minister. But because he has not, we must stand up to be counted.
2027 is coming. You will go home if you vote against this bill.
Ugo kinyira kanya gakuringa kura na kira kithiro kirigare baba ingi mungana jwa bunge gana 49 kana 49 baringira wetikane musonda jodoro gita na mbere ara 36 kana 36 baringira kurega naju batatu nabo bare akuringa kura mungana jwa bunge gana lemwe 17 uba kwithiro bakiendekana kenante tuishi itagarankindo wenge aitire gikaro ikuthira na tutakununkanukira tukenda kumenyekera taiko kethro gechethwa itwirirwe abunge bamwe ba Kenya Kwanza muno muno bakumurotera Mount Kenya barabugite bakethwa barungana Mr. Mithika Lîntûrî ibaringira about 10 na kuringa kure gwitikiria kenge na kuringana kanyoni muntu wetu kira kithiro kira Mr. Mithika Lîntûrî na namba ithiro ikiongereka ikwire bakwa bunge begakuru bara bakwithito bare betwe mubunge kumurotera ndai Miriam Keitani orokarikana na ari mwendo Mr. Mithika Lîntûrî au kanyumene muthiene kamiti ya bunge 11 Jabo Naomi Wako Robert Mbui Richo Nyamai Samuel Chepkonga Jadi Maruru Jerry Maina Kasim Tandaza Kadri Nomanyo na Yusuf Fara ibethiro bakithuranirwa interesho ijirisho tongere bwa bunge arabakethiro bethungu na teto Lîntûrî na kureta ripoti yao NTUKU IKUMI na kweja kwa kamiti jikethiro mugwata Mr. Mithika Lîntûrî na maitia bakethiro beta ripoti yo kirigaru nene ari kethiro ikiaririrwo na kuringira kura na rikana kendo bakwethiro akebeberwa no mwanka namba ya bunge rije kene na gichongo ja super majority kana mungana ja 50 plus omwe kana 175 bethiro beringa kura ya kumubire gitene na mbejera kola konekana ngosoro joketho jigwiriro au kenge bara kumugwata maitia ngosoro gijo ketho jigwiriro au Nkiripoti Ntoshero TV kumaje karone bya bunge kengi na ngine kinene kemusho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mungera.